Applying lipstick is an art. Specifically when you apply bold shades like red. Many women and girls face issues like their lipstick is thick on one side and thin on the other. Many feels that their lipstick look unnatural. But it's not impossible to apply lipstick like a pro. Here are a few easy to apply tricks that you can use to apply lipstick perfectly. First of all, experts say that you should exfoliate your lips before apply lip color. It will save you from uneven lipstick or flaky lips. Always use a primer before applying lipstick on your lips. It means moisturize your lips before the application of the lipstick. You can use a lip balm for this. If you have dark lips, you can still apply light-colored lipstick on your lips. For that, you just need to apply foundation powder on your lip. Use a lighter color foundation on it, so that it will lighten your darkened lips. Applying lip liner is a good idea. It will help you in applying lipstick underline. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and learn a lot of more tips and tricks.